Hey guys, my name is Aditya Rajaraman. You're watching TechLord, and in this video, we are going to look at a very quick review of the Lenovo HT10 TWS earphones. These retail for a little less than 4,000 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon, so let's get started. Now, inside the box, there is a charging case with the two earbuds, and we have two extra ear tips, user guide, and a micro USB charging cable that comes in a pouch. Now, the earbuds come with Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset and Qualcomm aptX support, which means the audio quality on this is brilliant. The case it comes in has a 800 mAh battery, which means you can charge the earbuds over 3 times. Practical battery life on the earphones is around 6 hours, and with the case you get around 40 hours. It takes 2 hours to charge the charging case completely. Now the earbuds are extremely comfortable. It is of plastic material. They are also IPX5 rated, which means they are sweat proof. They have physical buttons for controls, and these buttons are very easily clickable. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.0 and they're wireless up to a range of 20 meters. Talking about the earphones themselves, they have no distortion at any volume. They have tremendous bass and a very good audio quality. The charging case that it comes in is insanely attractive. It is made of a rubberized matte material and it's very comfortable to hold and not slippery at all. The charging case comes with 4 LED indicators to show the battery left in the charging case, and it comes with micro USB for charging. The call quality on these earphones are definitely decent but not the best in this price segment. The best would be Life Note by Soundcore. So considering these earbuds strength in the audio quality department, let's talk about its weaknesses as well. For one, the earphones are a little too big to fit in the ear, and the fact that the charging case charges using micro USB is still a tiny bummer. Final thoughts? These are very good earphones at this price range. If audio quality and battery is your priority, then go for it. If call quality and Type C is your priority, then go for Soundcore Life Note earphones. If you like this video, don't forget to like this and subscribe to our channel for more.